And Director General of Civil Aviation has suspended the license of the debt-ridden Kingfisher Airlines. The cash-strapped Kingfisher Airlines had extended lockout till 23rd of October, even as it failed to submit its response to the show-cause notice issued by the civil aviation regulator. The airline, which has grounded operations from beginning of this month, sent a 3-page letter to the DGCA seeking more time and a personal hearing to explain its stand on the show-cause issue.
KFA's license is been suspended till the KFA does not come up with a revival plan, is what the DGCA is saying. Of course, so far, remember, KFCA has failed to respond to DGCA's warning, really, to come up with a plan. And today, in fact, was the last day.
They did not provide any details of a financial or operational plan, which is what the DGCA had specifically asked for. Kingfisher is not approved to fly for this winter schedule, and their slots are being redistributed. The airline, though, maintains they are hopeful of being able to operate from the 6th of November.
About Kingfisher's reply, he has concerns about safety, and that's why he suspended it.
So what about the cancellation now? Is there a possibility of cancellation of license if they do not come back with a revival plan?
Of course, that option is there, but that's for DGCA to decide. We have never been any lenient or harsh on Kingfisher. Safety has always been the concern, and when DGCA felt that safety has been compromised, he suspended the license.
भाई अजीत सिंह जी ने ये जो कदम उठाया है वो बिल्कुल वाजिब और बहुत ठीक कदम उठाया। वो जो मिसेज चक्रवर्ती गई है, डेथ हुई है उसकी, इसको तो 302 में बंद करना चाहिए, जैसे गीतिका शर्मा के मामले में कांडा को बंद किया है। यही सेम केस है। कोई व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू? इसको जेल भी पहुंचाना चाहिए। और इसकी एयरलाइन जो है वो तो उसको ठीक बंद किया, वो तो शौक के लिए अपने किया है। तो ये जो ट्रेवलर्स हैं, जो पैसेंजर, उनके साथ खिलवाड़ करना चाहिए। वो खिलवाड़ कर रहा था।
They've already been grounded for 21 days, Madhav, and now the suspension of the license is a huge embarrassment for Dr. Vijay Mallya and also major crisis. What happens to all the employees?
Well, really, the airline has been in a bit of a tailspin as far as the past several months go. Right from last year around November, since DGCA submitted its first report following a drastic cut as far as its airlines numbers really were, as far as its flights were. Really following that, there have been at least 3 to 4 DGCA reports really about Kingfisher Airlines. Every time, of course, we've seen Kingfisher drastically cut its number of aircraft down from 67 to about 10 aircraft till it was last flying. But really, of course, every time that Kingfisher has promised and come with a plan, every time the situation only getting worse. And in this kind of a situation, with about 15 days given by the DGCA for Kingfisher to come before them and actually submit a concrete plan, really, of course, yesterday being that day, they haven't been able to do that, asking for an extension in terms of the number of days, saying that they hope to be able to fly by November 6th. Very difficult time convincing employees who have not been paid for the past 6 months as far as their own funds go, the accounts being frozen by the tax department, which the tax department says is because of various non-compliance with tax-related issues. So really, as far as Kingfisher is concerned, one of the big aspects that they were looking for was FDI as far as aviation sector goes. But even though that has been cleared by the government, really a very difficult question to answer at this point of time about whether Dr. Vijay Mallya will be able to attract investment into his airline, given that now, of course, not just has his airline been grounded, it's been there's a lockout that has been announced because of a strike of employees, but also now their in fact scheduled operator license being suspended. In this kind of a situation, of course, it does seem very difficult. Many, of course, looking at this as the beginning of the end really of Kingfisher Airlines. Whether they'll actually be able to come out of it is a very big question, but it does seem an extremely uphill and a very difficult task at this point of time.